Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GV Envisions. I am Glay, your ICT teacher, and for today's video I will be teaching you how to import and to use different materials in Sketchup. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so I have a model here of a reception area. So this is one of my projects that I'm working on nowadays. So this one here, we will gonna our goal is to input or apply materials in this model. Okay, so first is the very basic here in SketchUp. You can import a model by the use of the paint bucket tool here. So you just click the paint bucket or just press letter B as your shortcut key in your keyboard for this window to appear here. Okay, so you can choose many materials here. Just focus in this part here, so you can see that there is a lot. There is an asphalt, there is also a brick, and also a vegetation, a landscape, and also a glass and mirrors, and etc. So you can see many materials here. Okay, so for example, you want to click here the wood. Okay, so for example, this is the wood, and you want to apply this type of wood here. Okay, so let us just click this one here, and then you can see that the wood is applied already to this part. Okay, so now let's say for example you want to resize the texture. So all you need to do is go to the edit, and then make sure that here you can adjust the length and the width of this area here. So you can just select example, you can replace it with 2, or you can just replace this by a 2. Okay, so you can have edit the size of the texture here. Now say for example you want a certain materials to be applied in your SketchUp. Okay, so or you want to import or to download a file from the internet. Okay, so that's very easy. Okay, say for example you want a different color that you cannot find in the paint bucket. Okay, so first is let us search for a color. Okay, for me I love this color taupe. Okay, so for example this one, search let's search this one, and then go to images, and we can see here the different texture. Okay, so for example this one. Okay, so let's save this. So let's just save it to our desktop so that we can easily track it later. And then after that, let's go back to our SketchUp file. In order to import that product or that color here, focus here in the create material in the paint bucket. Click create material, and then you can see here the use texture image. Okay, so you can see here there's a check. So all you need to do is to uncheck that one and to check it back. Okay, then you will have your windows already appeared. So go to the desktop and find the material or the image that you have saved earlier. Okay, so click this one and then click open. So as you can see, you can now see the material here, and then we can now press OK, and we can apply this to the image or the object here. Okay, so that is the on how to use the materials or to import materials here in SketchUp. Now for the bonus tip to everyone, I have a site here which we can import lots of materials that are very presentable in SketchUp. So this is the sharetextures.com. I will post the link below so that you will be guided on where to open this site so that you can have different types of materials. Okay, for example the wood. Okay, so let us see here what wood do we like to be to put in our SketchUp. So for me personally, I like this one, this, or we can search for another one. There are plenty of it here. We can also have a glossy type, then we also have this. Okay, so many options in this site. So for example, I will just pick this one. Okay, for example this. Okay, I will just click this one, and our goal is to import this file there to our SketchUp. So first, next is go to download. You can choose the different parts. So I will just click the Google Drive. Okay, Then after I click the Google Drive, you can now see here the different parts. Okay, so for example, I will just choose the 2K, and you can see here the base color. Okay, so just open this one and then download this. Download, and then you can see, and just wait for a while. Okay, so there is it. So next is, let's go to the Sketchup and let's import this again by the use of our create material here in the right side. So click the create material and then use texture image. Make sure to uncheck and to check it back, and then look for the product. Okay, so you can see here in the downloads. Okay, so click the downloads and then open, and then click OK, and then you can apply it now to any part that you would like it to appear. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so that's how easy to import different materials here in SketchUp. So for more, I hope that you are satisfied with the tutorial that we have today. Okay, so for more tutorials on SketchUp and different computer-aided drafting softwares, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. And thank you for listening, and see you in my next video.